Hi everyone, and welcome to another video in the Google Search Console series of 90-second knowledge. Now, as always, before we get started, let's remind ourselves to subscribe and hit the alerts button as well, so you're going to get notifications of our latest content which will help you to improve website traffic and sales for your small business. Now, today we're going to take a look at the coverage report in Google Search Console. This is a really useful report that can tell you whether your web pages are being indexed by Google and shown in search result, or whether Google is seeing errors and they can't index them for some reason. And knowing this allows you to make changes to those pages on your website so Google can see them and index them properly. And the more of your pages that they index, the more of your pages that they can show to searchers in search results. That can mean more website traffic, and if you get the right traffic, that can help your conversion rate and the number of sales that you're going to make too. So let's have a look at what the coverage report can tell us and get 90 seconds on the clock. To get to the coverage report, select coverage in the left nav. You'll see 4 boxes across the top, and if you highlight these, then you can start to see changes over time for these issues in your website. In the details pane below, you can also see a list of the issues that's been encountered by Google when they're visiting your website. Crawled currently not indexed, for example, will show us a list of pages which Google has crawled but decided not to index. If that's recent content, it may be that it's very similar to other content on your website and Google's decided not to include it. It may be that it's older content which just isn't relevant anymore, and so you may want to think about updating those pages to make the content fresher, newer, and keep it relevant. The information you see here may not be the same for your website, and some of the issues that this report raises may need support from a website developer to help you fix them. But while you might not be able to fix all issues yourself, coming back and checking on these reports regularly can help you identify if there's any changes in behaviour. For example, if you see a spike in pages with redirects, that could suggest that a redirect has been implemented incorrectly in your website and is causing a lot of pages to send users somewhere else. Knowing that can help you fix potentially bigger issues with your website and make sure it's being seen and indexed properly. So there you go, a whistle-stop tour of the coverage report in Google Search Console. It's a really useful report, but it's only as good as you make it. Don't forget to check in on it on a regular basis, whether that's weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, so you can see the latest issues that Google's encountering and the opportunities for you to improve your website, get more pages indexed, generate more website traffic and sales off the back of it. This might not be something you do yourself, but maybe it's a task that you give to someone in your team. Either way, make sure you check back regularly and you'll get the best value out of it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And come back soon for more helpful hints and tips and videos to help you improve website traffic and sales for your small business.